Hello, Ricky the Wedding Singer. I'm going to teach you guys how to crack your back. I would like to call it the cliffhanger. All it is you spread your arms like an eagle, and then you place your elbow against the edge of the bed. That will give you stabilization. You lift your knee up high and then cross over, and you try to hang on as long as possible as you gradually decline. Okay, let's get started. Let me show you how it's done. How many cracks did you get with this method? I would love to hear from you guys. Please comment below. Again, please consult your doctor, physician, or chiropractor. I'm just a wedding singer. Peace out.